Good morning, beautiful soul. A new day has arrived, filled with infinite possibilities, fresh energy, and the gentle whispers of nature guiding you into a peaceful, joyful state of mind. Before we begin our affirmations, take a moment to settle into this present moment. Let's start with a few deep breaths. Take a deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the air filling your lungs, expanding with energy and light. Slowly exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, releasing any tension, any worries from yesterday. Again, inhale deeply. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel gratitude flowing in, awakening every part of your being. And exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Letting go of stress, welcoming peace. One more time. Breathe in deeply, hold it for a moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, and gently release. Now, with your heart open and your mind at ease, let's begin. Embracing the beauty of the morning. Imagine standing outside at dawn. The sun rises slowly, painting the sky in hues of gold and soft pink. Birds greet the morning with their delicate songs, whispering messages of hope and renewal. The world is waking up, and so are you. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the gentle wind caressing your face. If it has been a dry season, perhaps today, the first drops of light rain kiss your skin, a reminder that renewal always comes, even after long waiting. You are part of this cycle of life. You are connected to nature, to abundance, to the endless possibilities of today. Morning Gratitude Affirmations. Repeat these affirmations with me, either aloud or silently in your heart. Feel each word sinking deep into your soul. I am grateful for this new day, a fresh start, and endless opportunities. I welcome today with an open heart and a peaceful mind. I choose to focus on the beauty and goodness that surrounds me. I am alive, I am safe, I am exactly where I need to be. Every breath I take fills me with energy, clarity, and purpose. Like the gentle breeze, I move through life with grace and ease. Just as nature flows, I trust in the unfolding of my journey. I radiate kindness, love, and positivity into the world. Today is a gift, and I choose to embrace it fully. Feeling the energy of the morning. As you soak in these affirmations, imagine yourself walking through a peaceful meadow. The golden light of the morning sun dances on the grass, shimmering like tiny crystals. With each step, you feel more present, more connected. A light breeze brushes against your skin, refreshing your energy, filling you with calm and serenity. Maybe in the distance, you hear the soft sound of raindrops on the leaves, a gentle reminder that even after long, dry seasons, the earth is always replenished, and so are you. Just as nature restores itself effortlessly, so do you. Today you are refreshed, renewed, and ready to embrace whatever comes your way. Second breathing exercise, reset and restore. Let's take a moment to fully absorb this energy with another deep breath. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the freshness of the morning air filling your lungs. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Allow that peaceful energy to spread through your body. And exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Releasing any tension, stepping into calmness. Again, a deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drawing in gratitude and light. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Embracing stillness. And exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feeling fully at peace with this moment. Closing thoughts. Step into your day with joy. As you move into your day, carry this energy with you. Let the warmth of the sun, the whisper of the wind, and the song of the birds remind you of the beauty of life. Today is yours. You are in control of your thoughts, your emotions, your energy, and you choose peace, joy, and gratitude. Take one final deep breath in, count to 4, and out. You are ready. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. If this meditation brought you peace, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little extra light today. Have a beautiful, blessed day.